What's up, guys? Today we have this 2016 VW Tiguan, and we're going to be resetting the oil service light. Now to do that, we're going to hit this OO/set button on the right side and then turn the car in the on position. So what we will be doing is holding down this button here, and while that is held down, we're going to hit the start button or turn your car to the on phase. Okay. So for push to start, we're going to hit that button and press and hold that, or with a car key, we're just going to twist it one time. Now it's going to say, do you really want to reset oil service? We come here to the steering wheel, press OK. Service has been reset. All right, awesome. Now we'll put our foot on the brake, start the car up. And you can see, indeed, that annoying little message has now gone away. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found the video helpful, please show your support by leaving a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys thought, if that was easy. Check out my channel for more car videos. As always, please subscribe as well, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.